fortunate. You're fortunate because you're now going to learn about a housing opportunity that actually it took years and years and years to develop. The reality is that we know and we understand that there is not enough affordable housing, let alone affordable senior housing. This, go.
今天呢，大家能够拨这个时间来，其实是非常幸运的，因为我们从去年我们就知道说有这个Prota 的 Senior Housing 就开始在等。那今天你们是第一手资料，你们是第一批听到这个好消息的人，所以我们真的是很感谢妹今天特地来。
Okay, so how many of you know someone that's over 62 years old and is looking for affordable housing? Raise your hand.
有谁知道说你认识的人当中是超过62岁，然后在找老人公寓的，就说可负担的房屋的？
Excellent, excellent. Okay, and the way that affordable housing works is this, and this one in particular, that your rent, the rent, will be based on 1/3 of your income.
哇哦，然后这个新盖它可是全新的哦，不只是它是全新，它还有我们等一下会谈到老人的健康照护中心。然后呢，这个房租的费用呢是根据您的收入的1/3而已，1/3的收入就是您所要负担的那个房租费。
Okay, so with this particular development, there were 98 units, 89 one-bedrooms, 8 two-bedrooms, and 1 one-bedroom for the manager.
OK， 所以呢，总共呢，that's the math， 有98个单位啊，是一人的，然后有89个是2人的，然后有1个单位是只有1人的，那个是给 manager， 是管理人员住的。
Okay, so if you take a look at the sheet, you will see that there were informational meetings.
如果您拿到这一张的话，您可以看上面仔细的资料都在这上面。
Okay, the first informational meeting was actually earlier this week. It was on Monday, September the 12th. It was at 3:30. It was at the senior center. Karen was at the senior center. She can attest to the fact that there were over 1,000 people there trying to get applications.
我们的第一次聚会呢是在礼拜1已经举行了哈。那 Karen 呢就在这个我们 Fremont Senior Center 这边组织会议，超过上千的人等着领表去申请。
So Karen, is there anything you want to say?
The big thing that they said that day, and I think maybe we'll also, is that when it's time to turn them in, make sure you really check that they're complete. That's huge because, as you'll explain, it's a lottery system, and they'll go for the ones that are everything filled out, all the documents first. If not, it goes back to the bottom.
所以呢，妹问 Karen 说有没有什么小秘方啊，或者重点我们要注意的？她说，因为太多人申请，所以如果您拿到这个表格，一定要很仔细的把所有的资料一次就把它填清楚、填完整。因为只要有一个地方不符合，它让你重新填表，你就又排到后面去。所以呢，如果在做 miss 掉第一次 meeting， 不要太紧张。还有第二次 meeting 您去参加的时候，一定记得表从第一个字到最后一个字，请要仔细的把它填完整。
Okay, and the reason why I'm here today is because I do want to let everyone know that when you submit an application, make sure that even if you need to leave something blank, don't leave it blank. Just write a line across it or say no answer. The second is this, anytime when you turn in an application, make sure you make a copy of the application. And when you turn it in, ask the person who has taken the application to initial your copy date it and give you the time.
所以妹说，因为现在太多人要申请，也就是说这个竞争很激烈的时候呢，当您填这个表格，每一个栏、每一个空白，您都要仔细把它填清楚。即使您觉得说我不知道这个答案我该填什么，你也要画一个线，写说 no answer， 说我不知道答案。你不要把它留空白，因为只要一空白，因为收件的人他不可以看到空白，他一定要叫你回去重填。所以你只把它划掉说没有答案，那至少他知道说你有注意到说这个是你不知道怎么回答的，所以这是很重要。还有当你把表格填完了，要送进去的时候，送到他们手中的时候呢，收件人因为太多人嘛，至少我们现在已经上千人了，我们知道对不对？还有2次的meeting，所以太多人申请了。当您把这个表格送进去的时候，收件的人您千万要记得要请他 initial， 就是要叫他缩写，还要写说是几月几日几点他帮您收件的，然后您自己一定要 make 一份 copy， 所以在您送件之前要先 copy 好，所以2份送进去的时候，请他给您签收，这样子将来您要追查的时候才有一个根据。
Wow. I didn't know I said so much. Okay, so. Oh, no, it's okay. You poor thing. I think you need this more than me. Okay. So how many of you would like an application?
所以有谁想要拿这个申请表格的？
Yeah. Oh, you're going to have to.
Yeah, 对，好，谢谢。
Okay. There's an elevator. Yeah. So she was asking me, are the units accessible? And there will be an elevator.
那我们这里有一位女士问到说，我现在新盖这个 apartment 呢，她就是说，如果行动不方便的人有办法住进去吗？是的，因为新盖的这个 apartment 是有电梯的。
Okay. There will be some units that are specifically for individuals that are in a wheelchair. There are some units that are for the hearing impaired. There are some units for the visually impaired. So there's different types of units that are being constructed at this development. And it's beautiful.
而且这个新盖的这个 apartment 呢，有几间房间呢是特别设计给坐轮椅的，有几间房间是特别设计给听不到的人，有几间房间是特别设计给看不见的人，而且是很漂亮的设计。
Okay. Yes.
I see here like a 2-bedroom maximum person 5. So the family can live with if this is not just for senior, right? Or just for senior.
At least one person in the household has to be 62. Okay. Go ahead.
那 Rebecca 的问题是说，怎么看到说我们这是老人公寓啊？怎么还有什么可以几个人住的？那妹的回答是，只要申请的人，要住进去的这一家人里面有一个是62岁以上，就符合这个申请的。
So what that means is that the person, you have to have somebody in the unit that's 62 years old. So let's say you move somebody in, they're 62, and then the rest of the family members are not 62. But if something happens to the 62-year-old, you got to move out. Unless there's somebody in the household that is 62.
所以呢，因为申请的资格，就是说要搬进去申请的，一定要有一个成员是62岁以上才可以申请，才可以搬进去。万一这个62岁以上符合资格人不再住 那么其他人也必须要跟着搬出去。对。
And people need to be over 18.
然后他还有呢，不可以有小孩低于18岁以下，所以要18岁以上，然后超过62岁以上的人才可以住在那里。
关迄个公囝吼，43，會使去做呢個。
So her question is, she has a Down syndrome son, and he is 43 years old, and can he move in with her?
If she's 62, are you 62?
63岁了吗？你超过62歲了嗎？
我滿80歲。
She's 88.
You're very lucky. You got good health.
So can I move in my 2 years grandkids?
No. Minimum 18.
Minimum 18.
Yes.
Oh, another question. At present, we are renting an apartment. We are paying $1,500 a month. But we are only giving, my wife and I giving to my daughter $500 because, and the rest she pays because we cannot afford. We qualify still? Can we qualify for this?
Sure. You have to be 62 and you have to meet the income. You can't be over this income.
If it is less.
It's less. It has to be less.
If it is less, it's okay also.
Correct.
But there's no minimum.
No, because because some of them, so there were a certain number of units that are set at extremely low income, and there are a certain number of units that are higher income. So it depends. Okay?
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Did you explain that? Okay.
所以呢，我们这位先生的问题是说，他有一个2岁的孙子，可不可以一起搬进去？不行，记得啊，18岁以上，然后62岁以上。OK， 申请者一定要有一个是超过62岁。那跟这个申请者要一起搬进来的呢，必须是18岁以上，所以18岁以下都不可以跟着搬进去。那他又问了说，他目前他跟他的太太是跟他的女儿租一个房间在apartment里面，那他可以申请吗？我们可以看到说这边的表格，目前看到的是based on你的收入，最高收入不可以超过，那也有很低的收入，所以呢，只要您的收入没有超过这些，您都有这个机会去申请。所以不要觉得说，哎呀，这几千人、几万人，也许你就是那个。去年妹来的时候，我帮助有一对夫妇，他们申请到 Medicare，他们申请到，我帮助3对人。